Yeah, man.
What up, Guan? I am Michael Marvin Samuels. Watch me cook banana fritters. Get 2 large or 3 small ripening bananas, sugar, flour, salt, cinnamon powder, optional, vanilla, optional. Visit JamaicanDinners.com for the recipe. Get a bowl ready. Use a fork. Mash ripening banana smooth. You could use the mashing utensils instead. Purchase on Amazon a 8x10 511 pages cookbook, Jamaican food recipes. Today I am making just half of the recipe that is in the cookbook. So with 1 ripening banana, I am adding 2 tablespoons of sugar. I am using brown sugar. You could use granulated. Measure and add 1/4 teaspoon vanilla. The vanilla is optional. Add pinch cinnamon powder. It's optional as well. Add pinch salt. Use a spoon. Mix it properly. Some people would add like a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of water on the mashed ripening bananas, but you don't have to. Add 1/2 cup flour. Use a spoon. Mix the flour in the banana puree. The dough should be thick, runny but not running. The banana fritters dough should be thick. The dough should be running slowly, such as this, and not fast. Next, put a skillet, aka frying pot, on the stove. Ensure that inside of the skillet is dry. If it's not dry, use a paper towel to dry it. Add cooking oil. Allow the oil to get hot. The stove's gauge is on 4, medium-low, allow. I am reading this recipe from Cookbook, Jamaican Food Recipes. Get your copy today. After about 3 between 5 minutes and the cooking oil is hot enough for frying, or until you see some smoke. Drop 1 tablespoon of banana fritters dough in the heating oil. Put the fritters on its own spot in the pot. Keep fritters 1/4 between 1/2 inch apart. Allow it to fry until it's golden on the edges. After a minute, use a cooking fork to gently prise up the frying banana fritters off the pot's bottom. If you allow the cooking oil to get hot, it will not stick. When it's golden on the edges, this is the sign it is ready to flip on the other side. Allow the fritters to fry 2 between 3 minutes before flipping it. Use a cooking fork. Flip the fritters on the other side. Allow frying. The stove's gauge is on 4, medium low, allow. After 2 minutes more, totaling 5 minutes, look on the frying fritters. See which fritter is ready and remove it. If fritters need to be fried on the other side some more, flip it again and allow it to fry golden, dark golden. Fritters is finished. Turn off stove. This is banana fritters. Visit JamaicanDinners.com for the recipe. Buy 8x12, 511 pages cookbook, Jamaican food recipes. You should subscribe to this channel. You should try making banana fritters this way and then give us your feedback. Like this video and share it with everyone on your social pages and social networks. Inside the banana fritters looks like this. It's fried properly. This is a banana fritters egg sandwich. You could make banana fritters without sugar. When I make it for myself, I do not add sugar. However, the taste is something to get used to. It's a taste you would have to get accustomed to it. This banana fritters is moist and delicious. Until next time, I'm gone.